your host, Stew Shah. I'm going to go ahead and start preparing the soup, green pea soup. So I'm going to start by turning on the oven to medium heat. It's on medium. I'm going to go ahead and pour in some olive oil, 3-4 tablespoonful olive oil. 1, 2, 3. I'll do 4. 4, that's good. I'm gonna put in 2 bay leaves. There's 2 small bay leaves in there. 2 small bay leaves. I'm gonna let it warm. So I have 2 small bay leaves in. Oil is warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the shallots. Shallots in. I'm gonna stir. And then we're just gonna go ahead and add the leeks. I'm gonna expedite the cooking process, so let's go ahead and add the in. There, so everything mixes pretty well. The next thing I'm gonna add is the parsnip. The parsnip in. Stir till uniform. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoonful to 2 teaspoonful oregano. A teaspoonful to 2 teaspoonful oregano. Oregano, dried oregano leaves, right? Let me see, this is 1. I'll do 1.5. 1.5 teaspoonful dried oregano leaves. Oregano leaves, there you go. 1.5 teaspoonful. Stir to uniform. The gradual addition of vegetables, and herbs is called, I'm going to coin that term, I think, geometric addition. That's what I want to call it, geometric addition. And when I mention geometric addition, that means we're gradually adding, vegetables or ingredients in succession, one after the other. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper. Got a ground white pepper. Just a teaspoonful. I'm almost out of this. That tells you how much I cooked. So it's less than a teaspoonful. I'm going to go ahead and supplement it with cayenne pepper to make it a teaspoonful. It's okay. You can use whatever pepper you really want. So just enough to make it a teaspoonful. I'm going to stir very well. Stir till uniform. We're going to add ginger. As a sliced ginger here, we're going to add that to it. And then we're going to add the garlic. And then I'm going to cover, it for it to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want to stir this intermittently, in the course of cooking. So I'm back to stir it. I'm going to reduce the heat a bit while it simmers, for for a few more minutes. All right, the leeks are cooked. The shallots are pretty tender. Parsnip is also tenderized, so I'm going to go ahead and add the legume, the green peas. So green peas, there you go. See the green peas in. I'm going to stir it. You can just add a little bit at a time if you want, and then just stir it till it's uniform. Okay, so green peas in, added. I'm gonna stir till uniform. Stir very well till uniform. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoonful salt. A teaspoonful of salt, right? There you go. That is good. I'm gonna stir it again. Make sure it's well distributed or mixed. And then this is 3 cups, of turkey stock. So I'm going to add enough stock to slightly cover the peas, the green peas, so it cooks the green peas. So there you go. Okay. I need a few more to slightly cover the green peas so it cooks it. These are sliced green peas, by the way. I keep saying green peas. They are sliced green peas, so it doesn't really take long to cook. It takes about maybe 20 to 25, maybe half an hour. But normally 20 to 25 minutes should be cooked. Okay. I have the oven back on medium. So that's about 5 cups of turkey stock, but I'm going to go ahead and add all of it to make 6 cups of turkey stock. Cover this and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, it is 20 minutes and I'm back. This is what it looks like, if you can see that. So now I'm gonna just check the tenderness of the pea, make sure it's really done. Yeah, it is cooked al dente. It's kind of like firm, but not kind of mushy. It's tender. I'm not extremely tender. It's just how I want it. So it's pretty much done. The soup is done. At this point, we're just gonna go ahead and add a little cream to it. You want to make sure you shake the whipping cream very well. That is half cup. I'm going to add it and stir. Half cup is good enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and blend it at this point. If after blending you want to add a little bit, cream to enhance the thickness, you can. If you want it really, if you want it extremely creamy, you can. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm going to just set up the blender and then just blend this. So there you have it. I have some of the soup in the blender. I'm going to go ahead and blend it, puree it, and then just transfer it to one of these Pyrex bowls. I'm going to do the same for the remainder of it. And then after it's all done, transfer it from the Pyrex bowl back into the cooking utensil or cooking pot. All right, folks, there you have it. This is the green pea soup. This is how it looks after it's been blended. We're almost done. Just one more step left. So the only step left is that we just have to garnish it with the Italian parsley. as you can see. Well chopped Italian parsley. We're just gonna throw it in there. If you want to do a geometric addition, that's great. And then just mix it till it's homogeneous. And then you're ready to just eat it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how it looks like after that. All right, with the Italian parsley added, this is what it looks like. Pretty creamy, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors by tasting it, so I can describe it to you. All right, folks, as promised, I'm gonna sample this. I'm gonna taste it and let you know how it tastes, pretty much. It's very good, man. It's really good. Mamma mia. Then again, I made it. I could be biased, you know. It's really good, folks. It's very healthy. It's rich. You know, you gotta try this at least once in your lifetime. But thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments, feel free to just let me know, and I'll make sure I address it. If you have any questions about any of the recipes, any steps you may have made, just feel free to let me know, and I'll respond as soon as I can. So there you have it. Today we made a green pea. We also made some stock, some turkey stock. Okay, so I'm gonna try to create some more recipes for you, as time progresses. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please, so you can get access to every content I create. This channel is for all of us. We're supposed to be enjoying this channel, having a lot of fun with it. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Mwah!